Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're doing good. My name is Jen. I'm back. I've been gone for a while. I've not been doing videos and I'll be doing them daily. I'll be consistent. That one I promise you. So today I want to talk about selling products on Jumia. There are different ways you can make money on Jumia. The two main ways I know and I've tried include selling products on Jumia and the second one being a Jumia affiliate. In this video, we will be talking about selling products on Jumia. So back in May, I started selling products for my mom online. So she goes to the market, she comes with pegs. And I tell her, Mom, you know you can sell pegs on Jumia. So she goes ahead and tells me, list them for me. So I did it for the first time with the help of Jumia employees, with the help of Jumia customer care. They guided me. And with my first, we had not even completed 24 hours and my mom had her first sale. I'll show you the email. I show you how everything is done. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and take me seriously. So before I jump to my laptop, I want you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and also don't forget to comment and also leave me questions. I also have a training that I've created and it's helping so many people. Make sure you check it out. Also make sure you download my ebook on 16 simple ways you can make money online. So let's see each other on my laptop screen. Hello guys, welcome to this video. Now I'm on my laptop and I am on jumia.co.ke. So if you're in a different country like Egypt, like Nigeria, this one will be different, this part, but everything else will be the same. Now when you come to Jumia, I want to let you know that everybody can sell on Jumia, whether it's a supermarket, a big brand, or just an individual like you and me. Now when we scroll down, you will see these products here. You see something like this one, it's sold by a person like you and me. But this one right here, it's sold by Brookside, probably Brookside themselves or maybe supermarkets. When you come to these things here, they are sold by individuals like you and me. Other things that individuals can sell include things like these smart gadgets. When it comes to phones and tablets, I believe it's companies like Samsung, big brands that they do them. So if you have to do yours, I believe it has to be you have to be allowed by those companies to sell these products. You see, gaming products, they're sold by individuals like you and me. So I actually bought my cooker on Jumia and my heater, I bought them on Jumia and they're sold by people like you and me. You see, you can sell even shoes. You can private label your diapers. I will teach you private label as time goes by. Now, I had created another video, then I have deleted it accidentally, showing you step by step on how you can start selling on Jumia. Now, I have to do it again. But before we go there, we need to go to a place called Jumia Vendors Hub, and I want you to read these testimonials. You can see this guy saying, I sell 40 to 50 orders per day. Now, if you're selling 40 to 50 orders per day and you're making a profit of $10 in every product, your profit is approximately $400 to $500. And then we have this lady here, she sells perfume and it ranges from 5,000 to 11,000 Kenyan shillings and she moved up to 80 pieces a day. We have another lady here and we have others saying they were employed and they left their jobs to work with Jumia. So make sure you even watch all these videos on testimonials, and as time goes by I will explain to you why I was more interested in Jumia than selling on my website. So now I will go to Jumia Seller Center, something called Seller Center. It should have Jumia, and that is where you need to go and register your account. So register and start selling today. So we will click there. So I had created this account on Solaris Beauty as a demo for you, but now some time back, because I usually used to sell beauty products online and I ordered fake ones. I will also show you how to avoid fake things, buying them. And to have an account like this, there is a process and a procedure you have to follow to apply for this type of an account. So I'm going to log out and I'm going to create a new account step by step so that you can understand the whole process. So when you come to Jumia Seller Center.co.ke, you will be prompted to the sign up page where you will be required to enter your name, your phone, and your every other detail step by step. So I'm going to fill in this and then get back to you. So here I am. My name, first name is Jane10. My phone number, if you want to ask me questions, you can reach out with this number, referred by Jane10. My name shop is I'll leave where you can reach out, this number link in the description. My shop, Tokyo Toys, my national ID. My email is not this one. My email is not this one. So if you send me an email here, it will not come. I have left an email in the description, password and everything. Then you continue. Make sure you put in the right details. Okay. So you see it's taken. So then you enter the password again. Let me enter password for this one. So then we continue again. So in the next step, we will see this. The company, you should be an individual. If you have a business partner, it is a company, your address, and everything else. So I will fill in this information and then we will look at it step by step. So I have filled in its individual, my address, and I come from, my town is actually Githongori. I'm from Kiambu. And make sure everything is spelled the right way. Type of business, individual, person in charge, gender, value added tax, seller, VAT. I don't have seller, I don't have these ones, so it's not applicable. Primary category, you should be very, very careful. Make sure you watch my entire series on selling on Jumia, because this part I will describe to you how everything you put into consideration. And this is the biggest mistake we made when I was selling pegs for my mom online. The first time we started selling on Jumia, then the drop-off location, it's actually CBD, so I take them to CBD. But if Westland is near, you drop at Westland. Then we have my country is Kenya, so if you're in Kenya, you list in Kenya. If you're in Indonesia and you want to sell on Jumia, make sure you write you're in Indonesia. So I have just one product. If you have 10 products you want to sell, just put 10 products. You don't have a business registration number. If you want to have it, which is not compulsory, you just go to eCitizen and apply. That is if you are a Kenyan citizen. Or if you're living in Kenya, and then you upload your ID and then hit on continue. My M-Pesa is actually Njambi 10, but the way it actually appears as Jane10 because I'm Jane10. Those are my two names. And then my account number is my phone number. And then I'm not going to put in any bank details because I prefer payment with M-Pesa, which is much easier. Then I will hit continue. So this is my information here. They have sent it. I think I'm fine with the way things are at this level. Then I will hit on start selling, and I'll be expected or required to click here to verify my email. So when I verify the email, in my email, this is what I get. You will be brought to this page and you will be expected to log in. So I cannot log in with this because I didn't even use a real email. I was just doing a demo for you. So I'll just log in with my normal email to my account that I had created long time ago, and you will see. So this is how your account will look like. Seller Center. If you want to get started, shop performance, you will see it here. If you have issues on your account, you raise claim. I raised claims on my mom's account like 20,000 times when we were starting out, and it's because I didn't have anybody to guide me the right way. Jumia Vendor Hub and boost your products. So when you scroll down, if you want to log out, you come here, you click here, and then you will see the logout button. And then if you decide to scroll down, you will see everything like this because you have not made any sales. But when you make sales, something will appear here. Okay, so you go up and then you go to products, because now you want to start by adding products, and you say add a product. So when you add a product, you come here, you see here, create new products, and you create your first product. You need to have high quality photos with a transparent background or a white background, and they should be high quality. Good photos will make you more sales. Remember, you're in the you remember your category, the one you started with, or the product you're listing with, you're dealing with. It should be that category. So this is not even a toy account. This is a health and beauty account. So I want to talk about beauty and personal care, and we're going to deal with makeup, and we're going to deal with let's see, lips, and we're going to deal with lip glosses, and then we are going to select. You see, they have written lip glosses, so you're going to select. So on this page, on this level, you will be required to enter the name of your lip gloss, your brand, which is actually generic. Let me show you. Generic, like that, and then your model. So most people they write, like, you know, lipsticks have colors, so you can write number 1, and then you have color, it's actually red, and then primary category, it's health, beauty, and lip gloss. Then you enter product details. So when you enter product details, that's when you're going to talk about you come at this stage, you will talk about tax class. You don't, it's 0. Product information, you tell people product information, color, everything, weight, and all that. Jumia needs to know all these details. Then we have product description. You describe your products in details. You give even the side, you describe everything in details, including the ingredients, so that if people go get allergies, they will know it's a particular allergy they are reacting to. If you have a video to demonstrate how your product works, you put it here, and everything you go on and add. Actually, I only reach at that point. Then we have group. You have this group, and you enter the group, and then the product pricing. You come and enter the variation number 1, and then you write SUK1, and then you write gross. And then you put quantity, how many do you have in stock? 10. Make sure you put the right stock, and then you put 999. If you have an offer, you put 799, and then you list when the offer is up and when it's ending, and then you enter the images, and that's it. I feel this video is getting long, and I need to. So upload and then need to stop making it. So you upload, and that's it. That's how you go about adding your products on Jumia. So Jumia will will tell you it has accepted or declined your offer. So in our next lesson, I will show you how offers are approved and how they are declined. And I hope you are enjoying this lesson. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon to get notifications, and all those stuff you're supposed to do on YouTube to help my channel grow. Also check out link in the description and you will see even my own academy and learn so many things. So I hope you enjoy this lesson. Cheers. See you in part 2.